Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use LTX Studio AI. All right, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and search for LTX Studio AI. Once the website loads, sign into your account. After logging in, you'll see the main interface appear on your screen. LTX Studio offers several creative options. You can generate videos, build storyboards, create images, work on a timeline, or even design professional AI actors. For this example, let's focus on creating a storyboard. On the main page, choose the option Blank Storyboard to start from scratch. You'll then see a clean interface with your scenes displayed at the top. This layout allows you to visualize your story easily. Now, click the Create button to begin generating your storyboard. Enter a descriptive prompt for your story. For example, a detective chasing clues in a foggy city. LTX Studio AI will then automatically build visual scenes based on your input. So that's basically how you can use LTX Studio AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.